Welcome to this paradise at Cebu Safari. Join me as I tour you around this beautiful place. Cebu Safari's Michelle's Garden is a floral walking trail showcasing a vast orchid garden and featuring Señorito's 40-year-old orchid collection. Gardens of the World is a beautiful tunnel garden featuring different kinds of plants from all over the world. You can see flora, landscapes, and representations of the 7 continents. That's why it's called Gardens of the World. Noticeable are cacti and succulents. There are statues of Roman gods and goddesses you can see inside the garden. To represent the flora of Africa, there are Cape Leadwort and asparagus ferns. There is also a Japanese garden featuring bonsai trees and pagodas representing Asia. Lastly, Antarctic floral consists of mosses and ferns, which are also featured in the Gardens of the World. Experience the thrill of an African safari ride and personally experience zebras, African antelopes in the unique safari ride. Take the vehicle tour inside the African savanna and witness these animals in their habitat.